Hi, in this video I'll show you how to create a subdomain from the cPanel. First you have to go to the subdomain directory. I'll search for subdomain. Here's subdomain. Here is the subdomain directory. I'll simply click on the subdomain and name a subdomain. Let's say I will name it as project. But remember, you have to select your domain from the domain list. If I create a subdomain for this name, my subdomain will be project.below.me. Okay, here is the preview of my subdomain. Just simply click on create button and the subdomain will be created. You can go to the subdomain like this way. If you want to use this subdomain to showcase your project or showcase anything, just go to the file manager, click on the file manager option, and your subdomain is here. Just double click on this subdomain and create your project here. You can simply delete these options. This is the default option for your server. Okay, now let's create a test page. Okay, I'll name this project as index.html. Okay, the HTML file is created. I will edit something in this HTML file and display here. Okay, just I will display an HTML tag. Now click on save change and I will just simply reload this page. But remember, when you put anything in your subdomain directory, your current browser may not show your projects or files, so not so worry about it. Simply copy this name and run this project in an incognito mode and your project is here. Typically this issue will solve after 2 or 3 hours, or you can instantly solve this issue by deleting your browser cache. Okay, so our subdomain is ready to use.